Hello aspirants, I am Pranav. Today I would like to tell you that how you can check about the placement of the college. What factors, what data you need to collect, how to analyze that data, and after analyzing the data, after processing the data, what kind of conclusion you can draw from it, and how that conclusion can help you in understanding of a college performance. So here the first point is that whenever you are trying to check about the placement of the college, you should try to know that which brands are coming for the placement. You should try to get the updated data. For that, you may have to visit the campus. For collecting that data, you may have to refer many websites. For collecting that data, you may have to refer other sources of information also. So we should try to know that which types of brand coming for the placement and how much branded these brands are. Then we should try to also know that what kind of job profile a company is giving. For example, if you are interested in doing sales and if the job profile offered to you is of sale, then everything is good. Everything is as per your perception. But if the job profile is of operations and your demand is of sales, then things doesn't matches up. So you should also try to know that what kind of job profile has been given to the student. And if you ask me, I will tell you that if a student is offered a management training kind of profile in at the time of placement, so this is one of the very useful profile. Reason for it is, being a management trainee, you are exposed to different departments of a company. You are given an opportunity to learn for at least 6 months to a year. So management trainee, as per me, is one of the very good profile. But whenever you are analyzing the placement of a college, you must try to take into account what kind of job profile has been given to the student. Now, we should also try to, before coming this point, I will come at this point, that whenever we are prepared with brands which are coming for the placement, we should do the sectorial analysis of those brands. We should try to understand that whichever the brands which are good, from what sector they are. They are from marketing, they are from finance, they are from HR, or from which sector those company belongs to. I know this data is little difficult to be collected, but you have to take into consideration that you are going to waste your 2 years in doing management. You are going to invest more than 7 to 10 lakh rupees in doing management. So this sectorial analysis you must do to understand the college skewedness. College is skewed towards marketing placement, college is skewed towards HR or finance placement. This sectorial analysis also helps in understanding the college pattern of placement in some niche sectors like supply chain management, retail sector, international business, and many more. And after doing this sectorial analysis, I know that every student these days are engaged in collecting the different placement figures from as much different websites possible. So whenever you are collecting the information, rather than collecting the information about the average placement of the college, which is always miscalculated by the Indian institutes, you should always try to collect the information about the median placement. And if you are a fresher, you should try to collect the median placement for fresher. You should try to collect the data of the median placement. So what is median placement? Median placement is a term which says that what is the majority of the student got the placement. Means that if a classroom strength is of 100 students, what 65% to 60% of the student got the placement. So we should try to collect the median placement, and if you are a fresher, it should be for fresher. If you are an experience holder, then you should be collecting the median placement for experience holder. You must take into account the average placement of the college, sorry, and you should also try to collect the information about the highest domestic placement versus the highest international placement. And if collected the both information, try to give more weightage to the highest domestic placement, because this tells about the college performance in the corporate which is around the college, the corporate which is in India. So college performance with respect to the corporate companies in India, we can analyze this data only after collecting the highest domestic placement. And already done the sectorial placement. This is the last factor we need to take into consideration. Many students complained me that in many non-CAT colleges of Delhi NCR and Bangalore, the college is showing that their student has got the placement of 5 lakh rupees from the company. They showed me the offer letter also. But once the student joined the company, the student gave us a very different feedback, that he is getting only 27,000 rupees in his hand. So what is happening, that student is being promised something else in CTC, but whatever they are getting in hand is different from with respect to CTC. And this last phenomena occurs only in a C level college. B level college really do what they commit. And in C college there are a lot of manipulations these days done by the company. It could be the strategy of the college, it could be the strategy of the corporate. So we need to be aware. So whenever you are taking into account that how you will be checking about the placement of the college, these are the factors you should try to collect the information about all these categories. Thank you.